John and I are on the Celebrity Beyond cruise ship. We are on a 6-night Caribbean cruise, and we are joined with our very special friends, Sean and Rhonda, and they are in an ocean view cabin this week, and they have been gracious enough to let us give you a tour. Here we go. Hello everybody, Joyce here with the Traveling Gamblers. I am here with John. Hello John.
Hello, Joyce.
We are on deck 3, and it is cabin 3202, and it is an ocean view cabin. Let's take a look inside. Just to the right, immediately inside the door, is the bathroom door. And there's a little sign, lets you know that there's a step up. And the bathrooms are all the same on all of the cabins except for the accessible cabins and the suite class cabins. The bathrooms are all the same in all the other types, whether it's an inside cabin or all the way up to aqua class. They're all the same with the exception of the shower in the aqua class cabins, and I'll explain that in a minute. And so you have a nice size sink, good countertop space. On each side of the mirror, you have 3 shelves. Below, you have a nice storage space here, and this is your outlet for the bathroom. And you need to make sure that the main switch is on and this switch is on, and see that little green light, and then you know that the outlet is powered. On the other side is another cubby. There's some spare tissues, and at the bottom, there's your trash can and a full long shelf, and that's where your cabin steward puts your towels. Underneath the sink, we have a drawer, 2 spaces, your hair dryer to use, and of course they give you certain toiletries. Got your washcloths, your soap, body wash, 2 lip balms, hand towels, there's your commode, and your shower. It's a nice bubble door, nice floor space. It's a large shower for a cruise ship. I think they really did it right and made the most of this space. Simple shower, 2 knobs, on and off, and temperature. Actually, it's on and off and temperature. And a slide for the adjustment of the height of the shower. Goes up pretty tall, so I'm 5'3", and there's at least a foot above me. So it's nice that it's for some of the taller people. And we have shampoo, shower gel, and conditioner. And your stateroom attendant will fill those or refill those as needed. Have a little basket in case you have any of your own items that you'd like to put in here. A footrest for your shaving needs. A handle to hold on to in case the seas get rough. That almost never happens. And 2 hooks for you to hang anything that you have maybe wet to hang in your shower. And that is the bathroom. Let's take a look in the cabin. When you go outside, inside the door, you've got 2 hooks to hang some things on. A little reminder to step down. The door is a magnetic connection. That's that bang you hear. Right next to the bathroom door is your room controls, your thermostat, and your lights. There's a little settings wheel. You can change the language, and you could change Fahrenheit or Celsius, and you can do go green as well. I'm going to do a separate video about go green. And then you have your lighting. All off, half on, all on. And then you have different lighting settings as well. Just below that, we have 2 light switches. This is for the bathroom, and this is for the ceiling for the cabin. Just next to your thermostat, you have your storage. These all open up, and this is where I store mostly my shoes and some folded clothes if I need the extra space. So up top, we have a full-size shelf, 2 smaller cubbies. I will take this and put it someplace else, perhaps here, if I don't need the space for something else. I like this space for something else. I like halfway through the cruise, they usually give you a little vase of flowers, and I like to put those here. But your stateroom attendant will often leave their card here for you. And then, of course, below we have more shelves. Here's your laundry bag and your paper in case you want to get some laundry done. You give it to your stateroom attendant. There is a charge for the laundry. Unless you have a certain loyalty status, then you can get some laundry complimentary. And we have a total of 4 shelves. Just past that, right around the bend, we have your full closet. And you can see they give you robes to use during your cruise. Lots of space for hanging things. You can hang some additional items here. I hang my pants folded over hangers and shorts down on this one. There's your safe. It's a decent size, not too big though. And you have 3 nice sized drawers. These are about 6 inches deep and they have soft close. This is a canvas bag that everybody gets, and that is yours to keep. And here's an extra laundry bag. Some decent space there on the floor for more shoes if you need it. And just opposite the closet is your dresser. So there's lots of storage in here. There's definitely no shortage of it. And if you're going on a 7-night cruise, there is more than enough space for 2 people. The top drawer is not quite as deep. It's about 4 inches deep and has 2 compartments. And then the 2 below that are the same. And those are about 6 inches deep. You have a lamp with a push button. 2 bottles of Evian water. Those come at a cost. Here is your private bar or your mini bar prices. Anything that you drink from here, these 2 bottles, and anything in your fridge that has a price associated with it. So I like to empty it, ask my stateroom attendant to take it with them out of the cabin, and then I can bring my own things in the cabin. Up here we have your outlet box. You have a 220 volt, 2 110s, and 2 USB ports. You can close the lid, and you have some slots for your wires. Full lighted mirror here over the desk / vanity. This white button here turns that on and off. You can recess in the desk. It's a nice chair with a back on it, and super simple. The desk can slide in, and then you can utilize this space for something else if you'd like. If not, bring the desk back out. Really easy to do. Opposite the desk and the dresser, we have a sofa lounge. Nice and comfy, decorative pillow. Just past that, we have the bed. I've never had a bad night's sleep on a celebrity bed. They're very comfortable. You have a pillow menu that you can choose from. Firm, soft, which is also feather, or foam. And you can ask your stateroom attendant to trade out your pillows or for extra pillows if you want them. On this side of the bed, we have 3-cube nightstand with a lamp with a push button. And on this side, we also have an outlet, a button that turns the lights on and off for the ceiling, and 2 USB ports. John and I have a 10-foot cord, USB cord for charging for his phone. So I plug one in for me and one in for him, and the 10-foot cord then goes around the back of the bed. And this way both people can charge their phones at their bedside while sleeping. At the foot of the bed, of course, we have the TV. This awesome window, and there's actually a little window seat. It's pretty cute. It's a nice size window. We're still in port. We haven't left port yet. We're in Fort Lauderdale. There's another decorative pillow. And some nice decorative pillows on the bed as well. And here's your other night table. You've got 2 cubes on this side. There's your phone. And of course, the same push button lamp. And that, my friends, does it for the full tour of the OCEANVIEW cabin on the Celebrity Beyond cruise ship. If you've enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. Let us know that you've liked it. If you haven't done so already, hit subscribe and follow us along. If you've enjoyed this video and you'd like to see more, turn on the notification bell. That will let you know of any new videos that we post. We do appreciate your support sincerely. Thank you for watching. And as always, we hope you have a wonderful day.